What's the meaning of ABTA? ABTA. 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 ABTA stands for Association of British Travel Agents. It is a trade association for tour operators and travel agents in the United Kingdom. It was founded in 1950 and has over 1,200 members. ABTA provides a range of services to its members, including marketing, training, and insurance. It also represents the travel industry to government and other organizations. ABTA is a valuable resource for travelers, as it helps to ensure that they are treated fairly when they book travel arrangements.